Welcome back to Devices Setup channel again, and today we will learn how to set up SLOJP dual band Wi-Fi extender signal booster. So you can set it up in extender mode and access point mode. The difference with both of them is that the extender mode is wireless, whereas in AP mode you will always have to connect an Ethernet cable from router to the extender, but the AP mode provides faster internet speed. So let's learn the SLOJP extender setup in extender mode first. For this, plug the extender in the same room as router and wait for 2 minutes until the power LED on it gets stable. Now using your phone, Windows computer or MacBook, go to the Wi-Fi list and in the Wi-Fi check for extender's Wi-Fi network name. It will come up as XY1200AC underscore some alphanumericals. Now the starting two alphabets can vary on your extender. So you need to tap on this network to connect to it. Once connected, the setup window will pop up automatically. So wait for at least 30 seconds for it to come up. If it doesn't come up automatically, then open a browser on the very same device and in the URL or address bar of the browser, type 192.168.19.1 and hit enter. It will then ask you to select the mode. So select the repeater settings mode. Then you will need to select the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz network of your router that you want to extend. In case you don't have 5 GHz network, then you can toggle the switch here to turn it off and only use the 2.4 GHz. Next, type the router's Wi-Fi password for verification and hit next once done. It will take around 60 seconds for the extender to save the settings. Once done, you will simply need to go back to your Wi-Fi list and connect to the new extender's network that you have just now created and type the password same as your router's Wi-Fi password. After setup, you can place the extender halfway between the router and the location where you need Wi-Fi. Also, you can use the Ethernet switch at the bottom to connect your computer, gaming console, or smart TV directly to the internet. Now, in order to set up this extender in access point mode, first reset the extender. So you can reset it by pressing the reset button for around 8 to 10 seconds while the extender is plugged into the wall. After successful reset, connect the Ethernet cable from router's LAN port to the Ethernet port on the extender. Next, go to the Wi-Fi list and connect to the extender's SSID, then follow all the steps as we did earlier, only this time select AP settings while on the setup page. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Lastly, if you found the video useful, then do kindly show your love and support by giving the video a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel. Moreover, in case your gadget is not working, then you can get in touch with the SLOJP support or you can hire me online to fix this problem for you. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, have a blessed day.